Listen, you have everything it takes to grow a successful YouTube channel. But there's one strategy the top creators use that most beginners completely overlook. Today, I'm going to share it with you. While you're out here guessing what to title your videos and hoping the algorithm notices you, these smart creators are using specific keyword research tools to find exactly what people are searching for, with almost zero competition.
How to use VidIQ to skyrocket both the amount of views and the amount of subscribers that you're currently getting from YouTube.
And the crazy part? These tools are completely free to use. I'm about to show you 3 game-changing platforms that will transform how you approach YouTube content forever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find those hidden gem keywords that get millions of searches, but have barely any competition. This is the difference between videos that get stuck at 50 views and videos that explode to hundreds of thousands. Let me start with something that's going to blow your mind. Most YouTubers create content backwards. They make a video first, then try to figure out how to get people to watch it. But the creators who are absolutely crushing it, they start with the keyword research. They find out exactly what their audience is desperately searching for, then create content around those specific terms. This approach is like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what content will succeed before you even hit record. And today, I'm giving you access to that crystal ball through 3 incredible free YouTube tools that most people don't even know about. The first tool that's about to change everything for you is VidIQ. Now, you might have heard of VidIQ before, but I guarantee you're not using it to its full potential. This platform is like having a personal YouTube consultant analyzing every single aspect of your content strategy. Here's where it gets interesting. VidIQ doesn't just show you search volumes. It reveals something called the competition score. This is absolutely crucial because finding keywords with high search volume is only half the battle. You need to find keywords where you actually have a chance to rank on the first page of YouTube search results. This entire process of YouTube keyword research is about finding the path of least resistance to your audience. Let me walk you through exactly how to use this. When you install the VidIQ browser extension, it automatically displays crucial data right on YouTube. You'll see search volume, competition scores, and something called the overall score for any video you're watching. But here's the secret sauce that most people miss completely. Go to the VidIQ keyword research tool and type in your main topic. Let's say you're in the fitness niche and you type in home workout. VidIQ will show you dozens of related keywords, but pay attention to the competition score. You want keywords with high search volume but competition scores below 30. These are your golden opportunities. For example, instead of trying to rank for home workout, which has massive competition, you might find home workout for beginners with no equipment, has decent search volume but much lower competition. That's your ticket to getting discovered. This is the essence of finding low competition keywords that can actually move the needle for your channel. But here's where VidIQ gets really powerful. The Trend Alerts feature will actually notify you when keywords in your niche start trending upward. This means you can create content around trending topics before they become oversaturated. It's like getting insider information about what's going to be popular before everyone else catches on. It allows you to be proactive, not reactive, positioning your channel at the forefront of emerging interest and capturing waves of new viewers. Now let's talk about the second tool that's essential for serious YouTubers, TubeBuddy. While VidIQ focuses heavily on keyword research, TubeBuddy is like having a complete YouTube optimization suite built right into your browser. The Keyword Explorer in TubeBuddy uses a different algorithm than VidIQ, which means you'll often discover completely different keyword opportunities. This is crucial because relying on just one tool means you're missing out on potentially massive opportunities. Using both gives you a stereoscopic view of the keyword landscape. Here's something most creators don't realize. TubeBuddy has a feature called the Keyword Inspector that analyzes the actual competition for specific keywords. It doesn't just look at search volume. It examines how many videos are actively trying to rank for that keyword and how strong those videos are. When you search for a keyword in TubeBuddy, look for the weighted score. This combines search volume, competition, and optimization strength to give you one number that tells you exactly how good that keyword opportunity is. Anything with a weighted score above 60 is worth considering, but the real goldmine is finding keywords with scores above 80. But here's my favorite TubeBuddy feature that nobody talks about. The Tag Suggestions tool will analyze your video content and suggest the most relevant tags based on what's actually working for similar videos. This takes all the guesswork out of tagging your videos effectively, ensuring the algorithm knows exactly who to show your video to. TubeBuddy also has this incredible A/B testing feature for thumbnails and titles. You can test 2 different versions of your thumbnail or title, and TubeBuddy will automatically show each version to different viewers, then tell you which one performs better. This is like having access to professional marketing research tools completely free, allowing you to data drive your way to a higher click-through rate. The third tool I want to share with you is probably the most underrated keyword research platform available, keywordtool.io. While most people think this is just for Google SEO, the YouTube section of this tool is phenomenal for finding long-tail keyword opportunities. Here's what makes keywordtool.io special. It generates keyword suggestions based on YouTube's actual autocomplete data. This means every suggestion you see is something that real people are actively searching for right now on YouTube. You are tapping directly into the unfiltered thoughts and needs of your potential audience. The free version gives you hundreds of keyword suggestions, but here's the insider trick. Look for question-based keywords. These are absolute goldmines because they represent people actively seeking solutions. Keywords like how to, what is, why does, and when should typically have less competition but extremely engaged audiences. Answering a specific question positions you as an expert and builds trust immediately. Keywordtool.io also shows you keywords by different match types. The long-tail keyword section is where you'll find your biggest opportunities. These are specific, detailed searches that might have lower volume but much higher conversion rates and lower competition. For example, instead of targeting weight loss, which is incredibly competitive, you might find weight loss tips for busy moms over 40 has decent search volume but virtually no competition. These specific keywords are exactly what you need to start ranking and building your audience. This laser-focused approach attracts a dedicated community that feels like you're speaking directly to them, which is far more valuable than a broad, disengaged audience. Now, here's something critical that most YouTubers get completely wrong. Having these tools isn't enough. You need to understand how to analyze the keyword opportunities properly. Always look at the top-ranking videos for your target keywords. Are they from massive channels with millions of subscribers, or are some smaller channels managing to rank well? If you see smaller channels in the top results, that's your green light. It means you have a realistic chance of ranking for that keyword if you create quality content around it. But if the top 10 results are all from channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, you might want to find a less competitive alternative. Here's another advanced strategy that separates the pros from the amateurs. Don't just focus on primary keywords. Use these tools to build keyword clusters around your main topic. If your main keyword is budget travel, create supporting content around related keywords like cheap flights, budget accommodation, and travel hacks. This approach helps you dominate entire topic areas rather than just hoping to rank for single keywords. YouTube's algorithm loves channels that demonstrate expertise across related topics, and it will begin to recommend your videos more broadly within that niche. This is how you build a moat around your content. The biggest mistake I see creators making is treating keyword research like a one-time activity. The most successful YouTubers are constantly researching new keyword opportunities and adjusting their content strategy based on what they discover. Set aside time every week to explore new keyword opportunities using these free YouTube tools. Track which keywords are working for you and double down on similar opportunities. YouTube success isn't about luck. It's about consistently creating content around keywords that people are actively searching for. These 3 tools have completely transformed how smart creators approach YouTube. While everyone else is shooting in the dark, you now have the exact blueprint for finding keywords that will drive massive growth to your channel. The question isn't whether these tools work, it's whether you'll actually use them consistently to build your YouTube empire. Imagine where your channel could be 6 months from now if you start applying this strategy today. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll see results. Subscribe now, and let's build your YouTube success story together.